The question is, we have to evaluate the value of integration of this function x upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay, now to solve this question, we take the given integral, and first thing we see that the denominator of the function, which is in the form of fraction, and its denominator is the product of two factors. One is quadratic, x square plus 1, other is linear, x minus 1. So to solve this, we are going to resolve this fraction into its partial fraction. So x upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1 will have the partial fraction as ax plus b upon x square plus 1. The first factor is quadratic, therefore in the numerator we are going to take ax plus b and plus c upon x minus 1 because x minus 1 is linear. So we have to calculate the value of a, b and c, place here so that we could resolve the fraction into its partial fraction, right? Now, after this I'm going to take the LCM, the denominators being equal on both sides, left hand side and right hand side cancels. So I'm going to get this x is equal to ax plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1. This equation, to solve the value of a, b and c, I'm going to solve this equation for a, b and c with the help of coefficient comparison method. Okay, so therefore I'm going to open all these brackets. So I'm going to get here x is equal to ax into x minus 1 would be equal to ax square minus ax plus bx minus b plus cx square plus c. I'm going to separate the terms of x square, x and constant term to obtain this expression. Okay, now in the left hand side I have no term containing x square or no x square term, right? So therefore coefficient of x square, that is a plus b, would be 0. I mark this as equation number 2. Similarly, the coefficient of x in left hand side is 1 and right hand side minus a plus b. So I'm going to write minus a plus b as equal to 1. Okay, this I mark as equation number 3. And similarly, I can write minus b plus c as equal to 0. Okay, so from equation number 2 I can write a is equal to minus c. From equation number 4 I can write b is equal to c. Okay, and from both these equations I can write minus a is equal to b is equal to c. Okay, I mark this equation as equation number 5. Okay, now using equation number 3 and equation number 5, equation number 3 is minus a plus b is equal to 1, and according to equation number 5, minus a is equal to b. So I'm going to place b as equal to minus a in equation number 3. So I'm going to get minus a plus minus a as equal to 1, or a is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so I obtain value of a as equal to minus 1 by 2. So b is equal to minus of a, c is also equal to minus of a. So from using equation number 5 I can write c is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so therefore I can write x upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1 by placing the values of a, b and c as minus 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 upon x square plus 1, placing the value of c as 1 by 2. Okay, so I get 1 by 2 upon x plus 1. Therefore integration of this function with respect to x would be equal to integration of these two fractions. Okay, so converting this integral into two separate integral by dividing the denominator with first term and second term of the numerator, I get this as minus 1 by 2 x upon x square plus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 1 upon x square plus 1 dx, and this plus 1 by 2 into 1 upon x minus 1 dx. This can be solved directly by formula, this can be solved directly by formula. Only this function to integrate we require substitution. So taking this function minus 1 by 2 x upon x square plus 1 dx. So what I do here, I substitute x square plus 1 is equal to t, right? Differentiating both sides with respect to x, I get 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay, or x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt, right? So placing instead of x dx 1 by 2 dt, and for this term I am going to place t. Integration of 1 upon t would be equal to log t, so this will be equal to minus 1 by 4 log of t. T is equal to x square plus 1, so this will be equal to minus 1 by 2 log of x square plus 1. Okay, further we can write that integration of this function is equal to minus 1 by 4 log of x square plus 1. Integration of 1 upon x square plus 1 dx is equal to tan inverse of x, so this will be equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus this is in the form of integration of 1 upon x, so which is equal to log x, so integration of 1 upon x minus 1 dx would be equal to log of x minus 1. So the third term would be 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 plus c. So this is my required answer. Thank you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, by liking this video and giving your comment for the video.